Look at the ground. Out there in the garden, you'll be able to see the white spot. Hell yeah, I'll let my truck get wet before I run out there.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at that monster.
Almost as big as my nail.
Yeehaw! Quartzsite Monsoon.
My truck's getting filled up. The bag of sheep's getting filled up too.
Yeah, buddy, look at that.
Water's gonna run tonight.
Yeah, buddy. Flood waters are coming. It ain't gonna stop for a minute or two. It's gonna hang out. Yeehaw. Hey, folks. This is the Desert Artist here. We're hanging out in a monsoon storm. Y'all have a great day.